Everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today's topic again. No, another one don't happen again for Naija for for Naija for pastor again. One pastor they don't cash am, my people. They don't cash one pastor. He want go jogodo. Another woman they cash am. Not be only that one though. These pastors so they make people till they get power. They make people till they get more power. When they cash am, they can't go in house, they can't see where he don't make so many people for ground. They can't they dig, they come out. Pastor, now do that one, my people. Pastor. More una be careful for una so kind church where una go they go. More una be careful. More una be careful because fake full everywhere. Fake. And the funny part, they go they lay that their ugbeke hand. They go they lay am for una head. They go they lay that hand for una head, my people. Now, wow, when I hear this one, say, oh, let me wanna go hear this one, though. Oh, let me wanna go hear this one, though. If no be say YouTube no go allow that video for put am for your mona see fake pastor where they make people till they get power. I don't know the kind of power where they look for. Later they'll say God called them, whereas God not call them. Now they call themselves. They go they lie, say God called them. And people, when I see this one, I shocked her life sentence. I say, things they happen, no. Things they really they happen, like things they happen, my people. Like seriously, who they call una? Una go just wake up in the morning, now go they do pastor because una want do yahoo. Now pastors now can't do yahoo pass now. Yahoo because they look for fast money. They come they prophesy, they carry that they are fake and people that take many people. Though they put them for una head. Though they put them for una head. Una they see matter, my people. More una be careful. Una when they go church to church, they look for miracle. They go now. Now I get this advice today. Una na get this advice. More una take am easy for this kind church una go they go. More una take am easy for the kind fake church una go they go. Which kind thing be all those ones? Pastor, they go they make people till they get power. Pastor, they go they do so many bad things till they get power. Which day we see here the one way be said they said for Ghana they'll go this thing go they put a mat for Bobby say that they get power. Now this session be the now for see here Rambo. Say now there they go they get power. All because they look for power though they lie say now so God called them. Whereas our God when we know you don't call them. You don't call them in the night, you don't call them in the afternoon. You don't get where for call them, they go they lie. They go they lie. My ogbonge people, matter deo, matter day. Anybody when need the video go private chat me, I go send that for them. I go send that for them more. More na hear matter. More na hear things where they happen. More na hear things where they happen. Now wow, more na be careful for the kind church when I go they go. More na be careful. Which day na me see do that topic where one pastor, one redeemed pastor, one go jogodo, another woman they can't cash am. They want go jogodo another woman, your husband. They tell her say the woman they tell her say I get husband. Oh. He say I beg you, who your husband help? Who your husband help? Your husband you just call me the day where your husband no go theirs. And I don't want to enter one chance. They can't nick it down, give a better disgrace. Before this one now, how many we would do hear? How many? Like who they call una? Why una they disgrace on herself? Who they call una muna can't do pastor? Who they call una? Nobody call una. Una will just wake up one morning and say una be pastor. Are you kidding me right now? Una go just wake up one morning now so una be pastor now. Which kind of fake pastor be all those ones? Who call una? Who call una? I don't first talk for one of my videos, so now also give us the name of the god wey they call una, the number una take they call them, una go still give us o, because we want call God by ourselves when we ask him if na him dey really call them, because I know say our God can never call fake people like una. He can never call fake people like una. Now make that the freeze they always they come out, they attack una will come begin the thing go they pay una for body. Whether they expose una, e go dey pay una for body, because una know so una be fake. Una know so una be fake. Like people, like seriously, may we be careful for some kind church where we go they go. May we be careful, really. May we be careful, because wetin dey happen these days, e pass Joromi o. Wetin dey happen, e pass Joromi. The thing they surprise me, like seriously, the thing they shocktalize me. The thing they surprise me. Pastor, they go they make people say they get power. See whether they dig the things come out, See many things where they dig for the compound, my people. Una go shocktalize. Una go shocktalize, like seriously. Una go see things where they dig come out, una go hey. Una go shock, So things they happen like this. Things they happen, no. Now make all those their fake count where they lay for my head, now they pay me. That's why I not agree. All those pastors come they lay their barrier hand for person head. God forbid bad thing. They just rely on that free money. They want make money fast. They'll come like say God call them. They'll come they see fake prophecy. Maybe they don't know person wey know you. They'll come back go ask your history. Now so one girl, he go church. Now by himself use the man tell pastor for private say, see what I dey pass through. See the problem when I get. Pastor now come go altar. Begin they ask her, have we met before? Have we met before? Can I talk to you? Can I prophesy on your life? Have we met before? The girl say he come back say no, we have not met. Whereas now she use that man to tell her my life is true. Everything when they tell her private, now the pastor come begin to talk, come out. Come begin to talk am. Like say he just the professor. Whereas the girl don't tell her before. He don't tell her more. His life is true. So by people, more be careful. More they use on HQ. More they use all those ones they get sense. If I need the video, more private chat me, I will send the video to una. More see whether they ask the man pastor. Whether they ask him a question. Fake pastor everywhere. Fake. Now the man be fake. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. And anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you and bye. Share this video for me. Subscribe and always thumbs up for me. And you can leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you and bye.